Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create logo branding in Adobe Illustrator. Draw outer circle 800 by 800 dimensions using ellipse and inner circle 300 by 300 and 200 by 200 dimensions. Align vertically and horizontally center. Select both, right-click and group them. Select inner circle. Copy and paste here. Align with outer circle. As shown. Select object and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 6 is equal to 60. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution, Control plus D to duplicate. Select object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on object, create shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select all and apply color from the swatches. Remove stroke. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.